What is up? This is Vod Herma here, bringing you clips and highlights of the day.
You're a girl version of Sykkuno. I get that a lot.
Hi.
Has it ever occurred to you guys that Sykkuno is the boy version of me?
Oh god, there's Ari and Arya.
Ari and Arya.
Oh
no.
Is it Arika?
It's always, you're the girl version of Sykkuno.
Thank you, Sarge.
Like, Sykkuno is the boy version of me, okay?
Sorry, I'm trying to figure
Alright.
out Among Us.
Don't get it
Okay,
twisted.
question. I have
Y'all got it
Nico
backwards.
and Davin and
One of us to live, and 5 Up tried to make a break for it, and she chased him down.
But she could say that knowing you were the other one, though, and then you go.
No, that's
along.
possible.
But also, okay, look, it's a win-win.
I mean, I'm not lying. It's all true.
If I fuck this up,
Huh?
Sykkuno gets a video.
Oh, this is true.
Wait, but you're not.
I get to be in Sykkuno's video.
What? Corpse, you always get to be in it. You know, you should vote for me to give me Young a...
Yeah, you vote for Sykkuno.
Oh my god, you voted for me, Young! Oh, Jesus! Oh, thanks,
Sure,
Corpse.
this is correct, right? Sure.
Oh, Jesus! The story was true, actually. I was just the imposter
Oh my
pretending to be...
God.
Me too.
Wait.
Oh, okay. And you're gonna sell rare things?
Rare goods, yeah, like, can you see this?
Oh yeah, what? Turn it off, turn it off, turn it off, turn
Oh, I can't, I have to... Wildy and Ardent Usually, thanks for the subs.
suing the manager of this.
Here we have Janet trying to figure out which one's Sykkuno's store.
No, that's Alya's.
What?
Hi. This looks so good.
No, the other, the...
Oh, which one?
The other one that catches your eye.
Kindergarten clothes.
No, the one, the other one that catches your eye.
Oh, I wasn't talking. SFC for Sykkuno Fan Club.
That catches your eye? Sykkuno
Yeah.
Fan Club? What?
Yeah,
What?
that one.
Yeah, that's the
Is that one
one.
yours?
That's the one, thanks. Well, you're welcome for the quartz. Yeah, that's the one.
Sykkuno, your voice is so comforting. Can I just say that? Is that?
I know.
Oh,
I'm
thanks.
Like,
So that's how you guys know it's not me then,
I
right?
don't want to
Um,
vote him.
I just feel like we're
because
like in a
that
whole big
clears
anime
me.
right now. This is crazy.
Unless I'm getting
Um,
gaslighted.
No, I
I'll
would
put a
never
vote for
gaslight
you.
you,
Which one?
Janet. Are you kidding me?
Oh
Me
my
gaslighting
God.
you?
Oh
That's
Sykkuno.
impossible.
no.
Look, there's no
Sykkuno.
way I could get 2 kills on my own,
Did we
and
get
if
the
I
right
did get
one?
a kill, I wouldn't stand there, right? Alright, see you guys later.
Alright, later everyone.
Alright,
Thank
bye
you for setting
guys.
this up, babe.
Bye bye.
I love you.
I love you too. Ooh, this is a wet one. Freaking John.